Ever wondered about crowdfunding's appeal? The opportunity to invest in a raw idea, or the risk of shattered dreams? Considered the potential disillusionment and broken promises? Take a moment to reflect on the saga of the Wild Beer Company, a craft brewery that had successfully raised an impressive £1.76 million through crowdfunding in 2017. Investors were drawn to the promise of a new venue, a tangible return on their investment. However, the venue was never built. The brewery collapsed, leaving the investors with nothing but a bitter taste of disappointment. The company attributed its demise to a trifecta of misfortune: the global pandemic, spiraling production costs, and dwindling export sales. Yet, for the investors who had placed their faith and their hard-earned money into the venture, these reasons offered little consolation. They felt misled, criticizing the lack of communication and transparency from the company. The collapse of the Wild Beer County also raised eyebrows about the ethics of Crowdcube's chief operating officer, who remained on the brewery's board of directors during the funding round. The Financial Ombudsman Service may step in to investigate the complaints and potentially issue refunds, offering a glimmer of hope to the disgruntled investors. The tale of the Wild Beer County serves as a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls of crowdfunding. It underscores the importance of transparency and communication between the company and its investors. It also highlights the need for prudent decision-making and robust ethics in the management of crowdfunded ventures. In conclusion, while crowdfunding offers a unique opportunity to support and be a part of innovative projects, it is not without its risks. As potential investors, it is crucial to undertake due diligence, understand the potential risks, and be prepared for all possible outcomes. Remember, every investment is a gamble, and the world of crowdfunding is no exception. So, as you venture into the world of crowdfunding, bear in mind the cautionary tale of the Wild Beer Co. Let it serve as a reminder to tread carefully, invest wisely, and always be prepared for the unpredictable twists and turns of the entrepreneurial journey.